Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at Cassie, our customer support AI employee in Sintra. In order to do so, here we are all logged in with Sintra, and I'm excited to show you what Cassie is capable of. So you can see here we have our different AI employees, and here's Cassie, our customer support AI employee. So we're going to go ahead and click on her. And you're going to see here that first off, we have a history of our different conversations with Cassie, so you can find those there. But here, when we start a new chat, you're always going to get some helpful suggestions for what you might want to ask Cassie. So we've got enhanced customer satisfaction scores, create a comprehensive FAQ section, streamline customer feedback collection. Let's go ahead and select create a comprehensive FAQ section, and you're going to see now that this is going to show up here in our chatbot, and we can go ahead and ask this question: can you help me develop an effective FAQ section? So let's go ahead and send that. Now Cassie is hard at work giving us a response. She's saying here, I'll help you create a comprehensive FAQ section for Skillcraft. Skillcraft AI's education platform, based on your context as an AI education and tutorial provider focusing on AI tools, making them accessible to beginners and intermediate users. I'll draft a structured FAQ that addresses common user concerns. And now she has generated our getting started Q&A. We've got a content and tutorial Q&A. We have what AI tools do we cover? And there's a variety here of tools that we have spoken about recently. And this is Cassie's actually pulling this from the YouTube channel, which we have added as a website. And you can do that as well. So if you have a specific website, then you can put that in, and then your AI employees are going to pull from that information. In this case, we have our YouTube channel there. So this is how Cassie is able to pull from that information. So you can see here that we have a variety of FAQs that Cassie has generated and some really helpful suggestions that we can consider. Let's go ahead and continue on. And we're going to, well, let's just go ahead and click the settings up here. And you can see that we have a few more options that we can explore. One of the things that's nice here is custom instructions, anything you want to tell Cassie. So if there's anything that you feel your AI employee needs to know in order to provide better responses, then this is where you can take advantage of those custom instructions. We'll go ahead and just keep on focused on the main screen here. And let's go ahead and go to this section here that says power-ups. You can see we got a couple of icons here: support, report creator, and custom chat responder. If we click on see all, then that's going to open up our power-ups for this specific AI employee. And you have similar options with the other employees as well. And they all have these subcategories that we can take a look at. So here we could see with Cassie, we've got our support report creator, generate a detailed support report based on customer feedback. We have the customer chat responder, respond to customer chat messages with effective and personalized communication. We've got our FAQ generator, which we just looked at. We've got a product manual generator. So if you have a specific product, then Cassie can help you generate a comprehensive user guide for your product. We've got the comment responder, respond to comments with tailored and engaging responses. And we've got the customer email responder, respond to customer emails in an efficient and personalized manner. Let's go ahead and go through each of the options here. So let's start with the support report creator. And this is something that before we already generated this, and this was the result. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you at least put some information here under feedback. In this case, I asked for a report on our YouTube channel, and this support report analyzes feedback from Skillcraft AI's YouTube channel to assess customer sentiment and the support team's effectiveness. Key insights indicate that viewers appreciate the detailed tutorials, but desire quicker response times and more personalized interactions. So that's something that we can take advantage of here, this information, in order to improve that. And that's something that you can use for your platform as well. So we've got feedback analysis. These are the different things that Cassie is suggesting. We can improve our feedback analysis, and we've got some information here that we can look at. Performance metrics evaluation, improvement opportunities, visual presentation, actionable recommendations, and strategic overview. By implementing these strategies, Skillcraft AI can improve customer service quality, leading to higher engagement, increased satisfaction, and potentially converting more leads through enhanced interaction and support. And so we can take a look through all of this and use this information so that we can improve our customer support. So that's really helpful, and you can do the same thing. Let's go ahead and head back to our power-ups, and we'll take a look at Customer Chat Responder. So with this, we want to respond to customer chat messages with effective and personalized communication. And what we have here is we have a box for chat message. So this is something that you can use as well, where if you have a specific message that you need to use to respond to a comment that's been made or something of the sort, and you want AI as assistants to be able to help you with that, then here you can enter in your chat message. Example, I need help with my recent communication, and this is just if you have a specific communication and you need help, then you can start putting in your information there. And then under more settings, you can specify custom instructions. So if you want to provide a little bit of backup and say, okay, I need help with this comment here, and then under the custom instructions say these are the details surrounding this comment, and then you can click generate, and Cassie, our customer chat responder, is going to provide a nice response that we can use in order to make sure that we are responding as professionally as possible. And again, that's something that you could take advantage of with Cassie as well. We'll go back to our power-ups, and let's go ahead and we'll go past the FAQ generator because we did take a look at that a little bit before, but you can click on that, and the same idea goes. You can put in some information in order to generate an effective FAQ. Product manual generator. So if you have physical products or there's something specific that you're offering and you want to be able to produce a manual for that product, then you can use this function here. Go ahead and click on that just because we haven't taken a closer look at that yet. But here you can add additional details. So if there's anything specific that you want to make sure that our AI employee knows about before we generate our product manual, then this is where you can add that detail, and you can even add some custom instructions there as well. So let's go ahead and click back on our power-ups. Okay, we're going to scroll down here to Cassie. We've got our product manual generator. Now let's take a look at the comment responder. So respond to comments with tailored and engaging responses. So this is similar to what we were just looking at before, but in that case, that's a little bit more about a live chat, where this is a little bit more about comments that might be left on your social media or your website or something of the sort. So you can enter in the comment context and let the AI employee know what the context of the comment is, and then also we can enter in a tone. So depending on how we want to respond to the comment, do we want it to be friendly, professional, or humorous? And we can select that, say humorous, and then you could paste your comment here. So this case is if you have the comment that somebody has left, then you can copy and paste that in there. So that gives more context for the AI employee to work from. And then, of course, we have our more settings, which you can add additional custom instructions. So this is really helpful information. In our case, what we can do is we can go to our YouTube channel. If anybody leaves a comment and we want a little bit of help in responding back, then this is a really fantastic tool to be able to take advantage of. And you can too. Let's go ahead and head back to our power-ups. We'll go back down to Cassie. And finally, we have our customer email responder. So in this case, we can respond to emails. So it's really quite similar to what we were just looking at, but in this case, it is in the context of an email. We have the email content, and you can copy and paste that in there, and you can also add our additional instructions as well. So that gives you an idea of what you can do with Cassie. And we've already been having some conversations here, and we've really gotten some fantastic responses. And so this is how you can take advantage of Cassie, your customer support AI employee, to make sure that your responses to any comments, chats, emails are as professional as possible. And a lot of times the AI can think of things that maybe you're overlooking. So that can be really helpful in making sure that you are providing the best information possible to whoever that might be and whoever you are, whatever platform you might be using. So all of that gives you an idea of what you can expect with Cassie and customer support. All of that is a glimpse into the different helpers that we have available with Sintra. And I would say that for my dollar, Sintra is a really exciting platform. I really believe that it can be very helpful for businesses as a brainstorming tool. And you can see that we have all of these different options that we can explore. And I'll just list them really quick. Business development, we've got our customer support, e-commerce, data analyst, email marketer, personal development, sales manager, copywriter, recruiter, SEO specialist, social media manager, and our virtual assistant. And all of these wonderful AI assistants, employees have their different power-ups, and you can explore each of those. So if you are interested in using Sintra and you want to support the channel, we are leaving a link in the details for this video. And if you want to click on that and go through the steps to set up a subscription with Sintra, that would help us out as well. And I highly recommend Sintra as a platform. I think it's very exciting and useful tool. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.